Hello. Welcome to Military Test. Today we're going to be comparing two popular knives from Benchmade, the Mini Bugout and the 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃. Both of these knives are great options for everyday carry, but they have some key differences that we'll be exploring. Very important is that both are clones. Two very well made replicas. Design and build. Let's start with the design and build of these knives. Both the Mini Bugout and the 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 have orange handles, which is a fun and vibrant color choice. The Mini Bugout has a more minimalist design, with a 7 cm drop point blade made from 𝗕𝗵𝗴𝗲𝗃 steel. The 𝗕𝗃𝗃, on the other hand, has a more rugged design, with a 9 cm drop point blade made from 𝗕𝗵𝗴𝗲𝗃 steel. Both knives have FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon, handle because are clones. Both knives feature Benchmade's signature axis lock mechanism, which allows for smooth opening and closing. When it comes to ease of use, both knives are very user-friendly. The Mini Bugout has a slim and lightweight design, making it easy to carry and handle. The 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃, while slightly heavier, has a comfortable grip and a large finger choil, which allows for a secure grip while cutting. In terms of performance, both knives perform very well. The Mini Bugout has a sharp blade that holds its edge well, making it great for everyday tasks like opening packages or cutting through rope. The 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃 has a larger blade and a more rugged design, making it better suited for tougher tasks like chopping or slicing through thicker materials. Overall impressions. So, which knife is better, the Mini Bugout or the 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃? Well, that depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a slim and lightweight knife that is great for everyday carry, then the Mini Bugout is a great choice. But if you need a more rugged knife that can handle tougher tasks, then the 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃 is the way to go. Ultimately, both of these knives are well built and perform great, so it comes down to personal preference and intended use. Conclusion. Thanks for watching this comparison review of the Benchmade Mini Bugout and 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃 knives. Both of these knives are excellent options from Benchmade, and it's up to you to decide which one is the best fit for your needs. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below.